How to buy a HugoAI token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So, as you can see, before going on buy this token, go and check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. So if you click on their official website from here, you will be able to redirect to this pre-sale page. So as you can see, the token is on the pre-sale for now. So it will be available on 2 days. So the pre-sale it ends in 2 days from now. So to be able to buy this token, connect your wallet first. Now after that, what you need to do, connect your wallet. So after that, I will just log into my wallet first. Sorry guys. So after you log into your wallet, click on connect. So after you connect your wallet to the pre-sale page, what you need to do, as you can see, select the network first. Select the network that you want. For example, I will select the Binance Smart Chain. Now select the token after that. For example, I will use the USDT. Now here type how much you want to buy. But before that, make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet first. So if you have any referral code, you can type it here. So after that, click on approve. As you can see, so you will be a complete buy process from your wallet or that you connect to this pre-sale page. So because I don't have any fund on my wallet, I can't proceed. So for you, just complete the buy order and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy a HugoAI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.